Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a birthday event on the Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, at the bottom right corner, tap the plus icon. Now choose event from the pop-up menu. In the title, type the person name and birthday, for example mom's birthday. Next, share the date of the birthday if it's an all day event. Toggle on the all day switch so it doesn't show a specific time. Now scroll down, choose annually on date so the birthday shows up every year automatically. Set the notification so you can get a reminder. Once you have added all the details, tap save at the top right corner, and just like that the birthday is added. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.